Welcome back, children. Today's chapter is 9, Agriculture and Industries. Test skills are agriculture in India, livestock rearing, types of industries, major industries in India, and industrial requirements. And the first question comes to you is, in which of the following state tea is not cultivated? Assam, Punjab, parts of West Bengal, parts of Himachal Pradesh. And the correct option is B. Tea is grown on large scales in Assam, Nilgiri Hills, parts of Himachal Pradesh and West Bengal, but it is not cultivated in Punjab. Number 2. Which of the following is a cash crop? A. Moong, B. Wheat, C. Jute, D. Millet. And the correct option is C. Jute. A cash crop is one that is cultivated to be sold in the markets to earn profits. And moong is a food crop. Number 3. X is a type of food crops. India is its second largest producer in the world. X is what? Okay. Sorry. A. Rice, B. Wheat, C. Ragi, and D. Jowar. And the correct option is B. That is wheat. Okay. It says direction. Question number 4 to 6. Refer to the map of India and answer the following questions. Okay. So there are few options over here, Q, S, U, and the other side is P or T. So let us see the questions. Number 4. It is a cash crop from which jaggery is obtained. Which of the following states is its largest producer? And the option is A. P, Q, R, S, T and U shown in the map are Uttar Pradesh, Rajasthan, West Bengal, Gujarat, Orissa and Kerala respectively. Jaggery is obtained from sugarcane plant and it is cultivated in Uttar Pradesh. P, on a large scale. West Bengal R is the largest producer of jute in India. In Uttar Pradesh, P and R, that is Rajasthan, maize is grown in huge quantities. And question number 5. In which of the following state jute is grown in largest amount? And the options are A it's P, B it's Q, C it's R and D it is S. And the correct option is C, R. Now let us refer to the map. In C it is R. So we have to go back to the map. R over here. This is West Bengal. So jute is produced over here. Okay. Number 6. Which of the following state grows maize in huge quantity? And the option are A, R and S, B, P and Q, C, T and U, D, none of these. And the correct option is B. Let us see where B is. That is P and Q. P is your Uttar Pradesh and Q is your Rajasthan. Okay. Number 7. Select the incorrect match. Buffalo milk and milk products, bullocks, plowing fields, sheep, eggs, mule, transportation. And the correct option is sheep, that is C. Sheep is an animal that provides us milk, meat and wool. It does not lay eggs. Number 8. Unscramble the given letters to obtain the name of a city. A-U-S-R-T. And the correct option is, okay, we have more to it. Now, select the option that correctly shows the major industry found here. Textile, A, textile, B, automobiles, C, diamond, D, A and C. And the correct option is D. A and C both. First the word is Surat. Diamond and textile industries are major industries in Surat. Okay. Number 9. India's rich cultural diversity has majorly helped India in developing dash industry in India. A, tourism, B, shipping, C, aviation, D, textile. Okay children, and the correct option is A, tourism. A is the correct option, it's tourism. India has rich cultural diversity, that is, every state has different languages, monuments, cuisines and clothing. This diversity promotes tourism as people like to explore new places. Foreigners come to India for traveling and this adds on to our economy. Number D. Dash industry is set up by the people in their home. A, shipping, B, automobile, C, cottage, D, A and B. And the correct option is C. Cottage industry is set by people in their homes. Few people work with simple tools and raw materials which are locally available. Okay. Number 11. Study the given relationship and select the correct option to fill in the blank. Microwave oven, electronic industries, car, dash. And the option are A, shipping industry, B, aviation industries, C, automobile industry and D, textile industry. And the correct option is C, it's automobile industries. Automobile means children the vehicle which we use. Number 12. Read the given conversation among 4 friends regarding industrial requirements. Who among them has given a wrong statement? A, Riddhi. Every industry requires good supply of raw materials to produce any product. B, Sumit. Most industries depend on large machines which run on fuel like diesel, petrol, electricity, etc. Sony. Transportation is a very vital aspect as it is needed for the transportation of raw material and finished good. D. Avi. Money or capital plays no important role while setting up an industry. And the correct option, sorry, let us see if we have we here. And the correct option is D. Avi says that we don't need money or capital to set up an industry, but it is not that. We need money and capital to set up an industry and to buy raw materials. Number 13. In which of the following cities ships are built? A. Kochi, B. Visakhapatnam, C. Mumbai, D. All of these. And the correct option is D. All of these. 14. Which of the following belongs to the category of cottage industry? Automobiles, electronics, pottery making, and both A and C. And the correct option is C. It is pottery making. Electronics and automobile, they fall under the large scale industry. Number 15. Large scale industries require dash raw material power, thousands of laborers, all of these. And the correct option is all of these, because in large scale industry these all 3 points are needed. You need thousands of labor, you need power, you need raw materials. Number 16. It is a food crop mostly grown in regions which receive heavy rainfall as it requires a hot and humid climate to grow. Haryana grows specially variety of it for export purpose. Which crop it is? And the correct option is B. Rice. Number 17. Select the odd one out on the basis of marine and inland fishing. A. Katia, B. Trout, C. Mackerel, D. Rahu. And the correct option is C. Mackerel. Mackerel is a marine, that is seawater fish, while katla, trout and rahu are inland freshwater sea. I thought it was CATIA, but now I see it is CATLA. Sorry children, I couldn't understand. Thank you. Number 18. Dash revolution brought modern technique of farming that helped India in becoming a self-sufficient country. A. White revolution, B. Silver revolution, C. Blue revolution, D. Green revolution. And the correct option is D. Green revolution. With the commencement of Green Revolution, farmers started using better seeds, fertilizers, manures, modern methods of farming and improved irrigation facility to increase the agricultural production. This made India a self-sufficient country. Livestock rearing is also known as dash viticulture, sericulture, animal husbandry, none of these, and the correct option is C. It is animal husbandry. Number 20. Which of the following is a rabi crop? A. Pea, B. Jute, C. Maize, D. Cotton. And the correct option is A. Pea is a rabi crop, while jute, maize and cotton are kharif crops. Number 21. Refer to the given map and list of crops and select the option that correctly categorizes the crop based on the state where they are grown the most. There are few options: Q, P, S and R. 1. Cotton. 2. Sugarcane. 3. Jute. 4. Coffee. 5. Bajra. 6. Rice. 7. Rubber. 8. Tea. And the correct option is D. P, Q, R and S are Gujarat, Uttar Pradesh, West Bengal and Kerala respectively. Crops that are grown in Gujarat, that is P, is cotton and bajra. Uttar Pradesh, Q, sugarcane, bajra and rice. West Bengal are jute, rice and tea. Kerala, S, coffee and rubber. Question 22. Refer to the given table and select the option that correctly identifies W, X, Y and Z. And the table says crop spices X, Y, bajra, and the state W, Haryana, Tamil Nadu, Z. And the correct option is number C. That's Kerala, rice, rubber, Rajasthan. Okay. Question 23. Refer to the given Venn diagram and select the correct option regarding it. Food crop Z, X and Y is there. Kharif crop, cash crops X, Y and Z. A. Rice, jute, millet. B. Maize, cotton, wheat. C. Wheat, jute, groundnut. D. Cotton, barley, groundnut. And the correct option is B. X is kharif food crop, hence it can be rice or maize. Y is kharif cash crops, since it can be cotton or jute. Z is a food crop, but it is not a kharif crop, hence it can be a rabi crop, that is wheat. Number 24. Read the given statement and select the option that correctly identifies them as true and false. Once. 1. The Tata Iron and Steel Company was established in 1907. 2. Hyderabad and Kolkata are the hubs of diamond industry in India. 3. Jute is popular natural fiber produced in India, and most of the jute mills are situated in Jammu and Kashmir. And the correct option is D. True, false, false. Number 1 is true, number 2 is false, number 3 is false. And the last question is (25). Match the columns and select the correct option. Column 1 and 2 is there. A. Khadi Gramudyog, that is Mumbai and Ahmedabad. B. Textile mills, 2 is Tisco. C is Jamsetji Nusrawani G. Tata. 3 is natural fiber obtained from coconut. D is Coir. 4 is cottage industry, and the correct option is B. A, it is cottage industry, that is 4. Then B is 1. C is 2. And D is 3. So we come to an end of this chapter, children. Thank you so much. Take care. Be safe. Bye.